How to turn off autocorrect on an Oppo phone. Now, I don't know about you, but the autocorrect on an Oppo phone is really annoying. So I'm going to show you how you can turn that off. So go ahead and open your phone's settings. Scroll down to additional settings and click on keyboard and input method. Then click on the Gboard. Now click on corrections and suggestions. Now there you can see auto correction. Turn that off. Turn auto capitalization off. Spell check, that's up to you. Suggest, I would turn that off. And the suggestion strip, turn that off. And then if you go back to a text message and start typing, as you can see, there's nothing coming up below that's auto suggested, and that's how you turn off autocorrect on an Oppo.